and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to make a comic in a mini book. So grab up your pen and let's get started. So first we're gonna go here. So making the boxes is the hardest part in my opinion. So you can either make your boxes cross, or you can just do the professional way, which is very hard, or you can just make it big. I'm gonna make it like this. Let me just take my ruler. Oops. So if you make a mistake like this, like your ruler is too high, all I can do is just make a box with 2 frames. So I can just do like this. And write separately. So here we're gonna get like a new idea. So I'm gonna get my favorite book, Investigators. Anyway, we are gonna use the back because the back is tinier than the front. So we're gonna use the back. And like it used this usually actually. Okay, you know what? We're not gonna even use this for mini comics. We're gonna need this. So anyway, I'm just gonna start making my story about my. You know what? I'm gonna include her brother. I'm not gonna put her brother. Only her brother with SL. So she's like. I'm just gonna fast forward. Fast forward, stop. Anyway, I finished drawing her brother in this and her. Let's draw his crown. Okay, because he's friends. And she's like, again, we're gonna make this speech bubble. So I'll make it like this. First, a triangle and then make a oval connecting to that. And she's saying, let's go. This is actually the same as the original comic, but I'm just showing. So in a mini comic, you don't have enough space. So like if it's teasing out in a mini comic, if you're making lines, you're not gonna have much, it's gonna just zip out of the paper. So that's why I usually do boxes in comics. So this is why I put them in the comic. Anyway, she's opened her Sonic ring. Anyway, I know I stole something, but I don't put this in my computer comics. And then she went like, whoosh. So I'm just adding the sound effects. See, in the mini comic, it can actually split out. So you may want to be like, so you may want to just do like this. You scrabble up this, make it into a thicker line, make the other paper, and then just connect. So whoosh. And then we're just gonna go right here. And then we're gonna make the setting. So make like the setting. So this time we're gonna change the setting to like a daisy place. Full of daisies. Then they're like, whoa, that's awesome. And yeah. So, you gotta draw way more smaller in a mini comic. Then we're just gonna go. There's a and just when you want to draw something upside down, you may want to turn the book upside down, then just draw. Sometimes I do that. And then just turn around. Ta-da! You got it. You may want to sometimes connect like this. I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of likes on this. Anyway, forget about the likes. And that's how you make a mini comic.